Company Name Generator, how to use NordPass Business Name Generator. Starting a business name from scratch. That's exciting. A strong business name sets the foundation for your brand identity and helps attract customers. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a great business name. How to create a business name. 1. Define your brand identity. What does your business offer? What emotions or values do you want to convey? Who is your target audience? 2. Brainstorm keywords. List words related to your industry, mission, or unique selling points. Consider synonyms, metaphors, or foreign words that add uniqueness. 3. Use name generation techniques. Combine words, mix two relevant words, example Netflix equals Internet plus Flix. Acronyms, use initials, example IBM equals International Business Machines. Invented words, create something catchy, example Google. Descriptive names, clearly state what you do, example PayPal. 4. Check availability, search for domain name availability, example GoDaddy, https://www.godaddy.com. Ensure the name isn't trademarked, USPTO, https://www.usp.gov. Look for social media handles to maintain brand consistency. 5. Get feedback, ask potential customers, friends, or industry experts for their thoughts. Ensure the name is easy to pronounce and memorable. 6. Finalize and register. Once you've chosen a name, register it legally with your local business authority. Secure your domain name and social media accounts. NordPass Business Name Generator. If brainstorming feels overwhelming, NordPass Business Name Generator can help. It's a free tool designed to generate unique, memorable, and marketable business names instantly. Key features: instant name generation, get creative business names in seconds. Keyword-based suggestions, enter a keyword to tailor results to your industry. Customizable length, adjust the name's character count for better branding. Positioning options, choose where your keyword appears in the name. Unlimited searches, generate as many names as you need for free. How to use Business Name Generator. 1. Visit the NordPass Business Name Generator, https://nordpass.com/business-name-generator. 2. Enter a keyword related to your business. 3. Adjust the name length and keyword position. 4. Click Generate to see a list of potential names. 5. Pick your favorite and check its availability. This tool is great for brainstorming and finding inspiration when naming your business. Want help refining your name ideas?